Okay, so right behind me I have our new Ford F-250. Okay, but we got this truck for free, which is really nice. Our neighbors had it for 5 years, they said, and we recently moved in, and we're like, what are you gonna do with this truck? And they're like, it's been laying around for 5 years. And we're like, give us a price and we'll see if we want to take it. And then she's like talking with her son and everything, and then she's like, you guys can have it. I was in shock. It was amazing to hear that. It's a Ford F-250 Lariat V10, 6.8 liter engine. I love it. It smells in the car like as if somebody just poured water and left it here. But we have a lot of doing in this truck. The seats are teared up a bit, but it's free, so why not? But it has had a car accident in front left side. We might have to go repair that, which we are going to do. We have to clean it out, and then we're gonna be driving this truck. I'm super excited. This is really cool. I'm gonna share everything on this YouTube channel. I have no words. I love it a lot. So this is where it was hit. It was hit this area. They said that something might be wrong with the axle. Let's see, like somewhere in there. But I guess we have to fix it. We're gonna put headlights that have like LEDs right there, and then the grill has LEDs right here. We're gonna try to find a new chrome front bumper. I think we can get it done in about a month, but we'll see what we can do. There's a lot of cleaning to do, as you guys probably could tell. I mean, I'm probably gonna clean it out right now, and then the inside has a lot of their stuff, so I'll just get a box and then put it all in a box and then give it to them. Yeah, this is dirty. Let's see if we can find a new one. I love it. I love it a lot. Right now I just want to get everything, whatever we have left, like this book or some like valuable things that they might want. I've been digging around down by the passenger seat and I found this. Who in the world uses this now? What kind of phone is this from? I remember I had to use this one before. Never used this one, but I've used this one before. I've been digging around some more. On CDs. Ooh. So this is everything I got from the back from here. Tarp, clothes, caps, umbrellas, garbage. Okay, so what I have decided to do, we have this leaf blower that we can blow everything out of here, but I have to watch out for cars. We live on like the street area. We have a lot of cars coming up and down, but just like that, the majority of it's clean. But we're gonna take a pressure washer Saturday. We're gonna pressure wash the whole quick trunk, the whole car. We're gonna take the seats apart. We're gonna unscrew it everywhere, take them out, deep clean them. We're gonna take this carpet out fully throughout the whole truck, lay it down right here, and then we're also gonna deep clean it with a pressure washer. Pick out a sunny day. I'll let it dry off. Same thing goes to the back. All these carpets. But beforehand, I might pick out a day to vacuum the whole thing. Just see what I can get rid of so that all the whole garbage and everything doesn't fly away everywhere. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, hope you guys liked this video that I was trying to make at least. If you guys like it, subscribe for more for the whole journey of restoring this truck. Today I kind of cleaned out like their stuff, see like what else I have to do. I have to do the whole truck, but anyways, cleaned out the trunk a bit. We're gonna still pressure wash this car. Yeah, we're gonna do a deep cleaning, but today is probably gonna be a short video. But Saturday we're gonna do a lot to this truck. We're planning to, if the weather allows us. But if you guys like it, leave a like. Comment down below what you guys would do with this truck, or if you have any suggestions for us, go ahead, comment down below. If you guys don't like it, then you don't like it. I mean, not a big deal for me. But I'm super excited. Hopefully so are you guys. I'm super excited for this. Okay, I guess see you in the next video.